Hello everyone, my name is Vadini. I'm assistant professor in RPIIT Plaza, Karnal. Today we are going to learn about HTML. What is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML is the standard markup language for creating web pages. HTML describes the structure of the web page. HTML consists of series of elements. These elements tell the browser how to display the content. HTML elements label pieces of content such as this is heading, this is a paragraph, this is a link. These are some examples, etc. HTML often assisted by technologies such as CSS, that is cascading style sheets, and scripting languages such as JavaScript. HTML markup consists of several keys and components, including those which we call them tags. What are HTML tags? So these tags are like keywords which defines how browser will format and display the content. With the help of tags, a web browser can distinguish between an HTML content and a simple content. HTML tags contain three main parts: opening tag, content, and closing tag. All HTML tags must be enclosed within open bracket and closing bracket. So these brackets, these tags we can call HTML can perform like different tasks from these tags. Less than and greater than sign is there. So if you have used an open tag, that you must see a close tag, that is in the form backslash we use it to close the tag. Syntax of this tag is tag like this and then content then backslash tag. Anytime you go on the internet, you are interacting with the HTML code and related tags. HTML is primarily used to develop web pages and web applications that run on web browsers like Chrome, Firefox, and Internet Explorer. So these are some basic HTML tags. The head text contains all the elements describing the document. Title tag specifies the HTML page title, which is shown in the browser's title bar. Body tag. The body tag is where you insert the web page's content. Paragraph tag. It, the tag P is used to define the paragraph on the web page. So heading tab. Heading tag is used to define the heading of the HTML documents. H1 tag defines the most important tag and H6 defines the least. So um, it shows that from H1 to S6 we can use it in the heading tags. Formatting tags. So these are some formatting tags. First is emphasis tag. The HTML EM tag is used to emphasize the particular text in a program. Bold tag, that is B. B tag is used to make text bold. I is used to make text italic. So this is italic tag. Then the last one is underline tag, that we can use U is used to set the text underline. Link tag. So this is the link tag. So the A tag links open to another page. The href attribute is used to define link. So this is the tag format syntax we can say in the HTML. So it means when you click on this is the link to visit RPIIT. It will go to this, will redirect it to this email ID, this site. List tag. So the list tag is used if you want to enter the contents in the listed order. There are two types of list: ordered list OL and unordered list, that is UL. So these are the syntax if you want to write like in the list HTML and C. Image tag. The image tag is used to embed an image. We want to upload the image in the web browser web page, so we can use this tag as an you need to specify the source of the image inside the tag. So this is the syntax of the image tag. If you like our video, do like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.